What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about some of the best email marketing templates that you can use to run successful campaigns in 2020 and in the near future. So these are some really amazing done for you templates that you can use if you're new to email marketing, you don't know how to write the proper copy that converts in your email marketing campaigns. Because you have to understand the most important thing about email marketing is copy and making a message that really stands out and captures your audience's attention. So you need to write the right copy that is relating to them, that can speak to their fears, their problems, and their biggest pains. So this is why you need some inspiration of some pre-written email marketing campaign templates that you can go ahead then use by adjust them according to your industry and according to your subject. So this software that I'm using right now is called EmailRamp, and I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video to where you can get EmailRamp. So EmailRamp has over 2,332 emails that you can use, and it's also got an autoresponder that you can go ahead and connect with your websites and opt-in pages. Then once you're inside here, this is the members area that I'm in right now. These are the last 5 saved emails, the titles, and the subject line. So when you see, you come over here, you can select a niche depending on an industry that you're in. If you're doing internet marketing, online business opportunity, parenting and family, e-commerce, beauty, skincare, weight loss, self-help, video marketing, you're doing local businesses, you're doing dating, relationship, you're doing alternative medicine, or you're doing cryptocurrency. All you have to do is come over here and select your industry. So let's say I'm dealing with weight loss. So I can come over here and I can look at the type of campaigns that I want to run. Do you want list nurturing? Do you want to nurture a list? Emails you can use to offer value to your subscribers, win their trust, and finally pitch them your products. Pre-launch emails, if you're launching a product, you want to create awareness about the newly launching product. When you launch your product, storytelling emails, re-engagement emails, discount and time limited offers, and emotional selling. So all you have to do is come over here and select exactly what campaign you want to run. So as you can see here, if I select list nurturing, these are the email campaigns that I can run. This is just page 1, and there are about 10 emails here, and you've got page 2 where it goes up to 12. So all you have to do is just come over here and just adjust these email marketing templates according to whatever it is that you're running. Then you've got some done for you packages, then you've got the agency package, and also you get some really amazing bonuses in here. As you can see, the email marketing hack, there are videos and audios and the PDF version. Then you also get the 5-minute daily blueprint. You can download the PDF and you get 100 powerful email subject lines. So there's a whole lot. You can come over here and check what it is that you would like to get. So this is what just meant to be a short video and tell you about this really cool, amazing software that you can use to run your email marketing campaigns in 2020. So thanks very much for watching, guys, and feel free to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more amazing content. Also, if you feel like getting this software and you really think it would help you in your business, click the link that is in the description of this video to bring you to where you can purchase it and you get access to the members area. So thanks very much, guys, for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.